Exploring the EBRAINS Community with the search function. Welcome to the EBRAINS Community tutorial on using the search function. Beware that your dashboard displays only your current engagements. If you wish to explore all that's happening in the community, the search function is your go-to tool. Here's how it works. You can customize your search based on your interests. Type in what you're searching for or use the filter option. For instance, you can look for new subcommunities that align with your field of interest, providing you with fresh collaboration opportunities. Alternatively, you can click on the type of category you're interested in exploring. This will display all content of the category within the community. For example, you can search for specific posts and events and refine your search according to your unique requirements. So whether you're looking for broader collaboration options or specific posts and events, the search function has you covered. Now enjoy exploring the eBrains community and expanding your collaboration opportunities.